Feel like I got a nice little slit right here. I might be able to pull something out of it. Me never careful.
Yes, there you go. Monumental. Monumental, gigantic.
I think they're beautiful, dude.
Me probably scaring all fish away. You remember? Yeah, it's about time. Come on, like grouper. Feels like a nice one. Yes, yes, fly grouper.
Monumental!
Very nice.
Oh shit, I didn't even mean to catch them all.
Did you still catch him? Hey, that's funny.
I only had one hand on the rod. I was about to paddle. This one feels pretty decent. Just looks weird. Hey, look at that.
Nice one.
How he do that to himself? No, smallest one they caught today. It's funny, they always choke it.
Oh yeah, the small one's got the fight.
This is what you get when you're no careful.
You get big one.
You swim for me, lure.
Me really just missed a big one.
I lost a good one too.
You better be careful.
Who?
Look at him.
No, you see me, be careful.
We never ever see you be careful ever.
Okay, kinda true.
Always tearing them up, the perch slayer. He's a perch slayer. Tommy the shark slayer.
Perch for days. What?
Hey Thomas.
You all up in
This time. You get.
you all up in some shit? Oh shit.
He do.
I've done that before, but
He
not.
do all the time. He do 3 times a day.
Give me some slack.
I know.
Me got you on video being a dumbass.
Yes.
That sucks. Remember when it was cool in high school? It was a still.
Remember when it was cool?
Yeah, I remember when it was cool, bro. popping that. Me no want you.
That's where me cast. You know cast where me cast. Okay, Tommy. That joint jumping out the water.
I know, that's the first time I seen him do that one.
Oh, that's sick.
Me no want anyway.
Yes, you won.
No. I know, that's the first time I seen one jump.
Me fuck on you.
No, we double up.
Yes, just like that.
No, me,
Oh!
me hooked on something me don't want to be hooked on.
No, me. We got fish. Me cut my finger with the gill.
Ooh.
You just had a bite, Tommy?
Yeah, and I was reeling it fast, like I was done. I really like really slow. That's the first one in the pot in a while.
Monumental gigantosaurs.
That ain't no perch. That's not.
You hit the water, cuz.
I bet it's another spot. Look. No, tiniest perch me ever did see. I don't even look at. What? Somebody gonna look at this.
What is it?
This was a perch, but he's. I don't know how he got the whole all 3 hooks in his mouth. Look at him.
Swallow. He likes to wally me gobble.
Yeah. He's gonna be good at like eating shit though. I mean, one day, you know. Oh, I seen that. I seen him smoke that.
We keep everything going crab pot.
Me wish you didn't make my father mad at me.
Huh?
My dad don't want that.
You said what?
He don't want the little one.